Good morning, it's Kelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I am filming a giveaway that will start today, the 20th, and will end on the 27th. So all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below on what you're working on for the fall and or what your plans to do for the fall, and that will enter you into the giveaway contest. So I'm working on building a box right now, and it's for a candy bar. And I also am working on these little rosettes. I usually make them every year for the little kids for their treat boxes. I make them into little magic wands for their little boxes, and the kids just love them. We don't get many trick-or-treaters, but we do get some. And I like to make their experience coming to our door a real fun one. I dress up every year as a witch, and whatever is the theme on my front porch will be on my witch's hat. So this year it's most likely going to be ghosts. So I will put ghosts all over my hat. And anyways, that's my favorite time of the year is Halloween. So let me know what you are working on, or basically what is your favorite time of the year. So just leave a comment and that'll enter you in, but you must be a subscriber. And I'll be back soon with the little treat boxes I'm working on. I have all the measurements down and I have a few cut. I just need to get them together, and I will probably do a tutorial on those sometime within the week. So welcome to my channel. Stay tuned, and don't forget to leave a comment below of what you're working on for fall, or what your favorite time of the year is. So thank you for watching, and good luck. Bye.